Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In the last class, we have seen some basic introduction about angles of trigonometric functions, and we have solved somewhat basic ratios. Now, here in the today's lecture, we are going to study some basic trigonometric identities, solution of some basic trigonometric identities. You can see sin theta into cosec theta, which is equals to 1, cos theta into sec theta, which is equals to 1, tan theta into cot theta, which is equals to 1, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Fifth one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, or sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta, which is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Next one, sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1, or sec square theta, which is equals to 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta, which is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Next, sec theta plus tan theta, which is equals to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Next one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, which is equals to 1, or by simplifying cosec square theta as it is, take cot square theta or RHS, it becomes 1 plus cot square theta. Or similarly, take cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. And finally, cosec theta plus cot theta, which can be written as 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta. These are the trigonometric identities, that is fundamental trigonometric identities. Now we have to see the proof of this one by using a right angle triangle. Already in the yesterday's class we have seen T ratios and somewhat converting radian into degree and degree into radians, right? And again, these are some basic trigonometric ratio formulas we have to find out one by one, right? Next, let us consider a trigonometric functions in terms of ratios. See here, let us consider a triangle ABC in which B is a right angle. Let angle BC, let us see in the figure, let us consider a triangle ABC in which B is a right angle triangle. Let angle BAC equals to what here? Angle BAC is theta, which is acute angle, because it is less than 90 degrees, nothing but your acute angle. And AB is the side adjacent to the angle theta. This one, AB is the side adjacent to what? Theta, which is adjacent to the angle theta. And BC is the side opposite to, BC is the side opposite to theta, comma, BC is the side opposite to the angle theta, and AC is hypotenuse, and AC is what? Your hypotenuse. Just keep in mind, it is adjacent, opposite side, hypotenuse, or adjacent also called as base. Base. Opposite term is also called as perpendicular, right? And hypotenuse is a common. It's a single term, hypotenuse. Adjacent or base, opposite or perpendicular, and hypotenuse, right? Next we can see, we define the 6 trigonometric functions or ratios of an angle theta as follows. First one, sine of theta, that is nothing but sine theta, which is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, opposite by hypotenuse BC by AC. Sine theta is nothing but BC by AC, that is opposite by hypotenuse. Got it? That is sine theta BC by AC, BC by AC it is. And next, cosine of theta is nothing but cos theta, which is nothing but adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. We draw here only a right angle triangle. See, right? And this one is A, B, C. Got it? This is angle theta. It is perpendicular 90 degree. Now sine theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Here angle ABC is the right. See here. Angle A, angle B, it is C, right? Now this is theta. Sin theta, which is equals to BC by AC, it is BC by, that is what? BC by AC, that is nothing but your opposite side upon hypotenuse. Second one, cos theta, that is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent means your base upon hypotenuse. It is, got it? I will write here, it is adjacent. Small a stands for adjacent, or you can say base, and this is opposite side. O is the opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. Got it? Cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Next, tan theta, that is tangent of theta, is nothing but opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent, that is BC by AB. Next, cotangent theta is nothing but a reciprocal of tan theta. Here BC by AB is there. Now take its reverse, that is AB by BC. Similarly, sine reciprocal is cosec, cos reciprocal is sec, tan reciprocal is cot. Now cosine reciprocal is secant, that is here AB by AC is there. Now what we get here? Reciprocal of this one means AC by AB. Similarly for sine cosecant, BC by AC is there, which can be written as AC by BC. Got it? These are all reciprocal to each other. Sine is reciprocal to cosec, and cosine is reciprocal to sec, and tan is reciprocal to cotan, and vice versa, right? Again, cosec also reciprocal to sine, sec is reciprocal to cos, cot is reciprocal of tan theta, right? Got it? Next, it is important to note that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta are what? Numbers, where theta is angle. Remember, where these are all numbers, where theta is particularly, it is an angle. Keep in mind. And next, sin theta whole square is written as sin square theta. Cos theta whole cube is written as cos cube theta, etc. Got it? Just remember, the ratios of sin theta means you have to say opposite side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but BC by AC. And second, tangent is nothing but opposite side by adjacent. And sec, hypotenuse by adjacent. Cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. Cot, adjacent by opposite. Cosec, hypotenuse by opposite. Just you have to keep in mind only sine, yes, only sine, tan and sec. Remaining cos, cot, only 3 terms if you remember means remaining 3 terms is reciprocal of that only. Sine reciprocal is cosec, tan reciprocal is cot, cos reciprocal is sec. Sin, cos, tan. If you remember these three, and remaining these three are reciprocal of the above the three terms. Sin is reciprocal of cosec, and cosine is reciprocal of sec, and tan is reciprocal of cot. If you remember only 1, 2, 3. Right, this sine reciprocal is this one here. AC by BC can be written as AC by BC. Next, write all the trigonometric ratios of an angle theta from the following figure. Examples are there. By using trigonometric ratios, we have to find, already sides has been given. Here A, B, C is again right angle triangle here. B is perpendicular, theta is an angle here, where AB is 4 and BC is 3 and AC is 5. Now we have to find sine theta, angle of sine theta. That is ratio of sine theta is here. Again, it is opposite side, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Got it? Hypotenuse. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse means BC by AC, that is nothing but 3 by 5. Next, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, that is 4 by 5. And tan theta opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB, that is 3 by 4. Now reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, reciprocal of tan is cot. Now take directly the value. Sine reciprocal is cosec, that is 3 by 5 can be written as 5 by 3, and cos reciprocal is sec, 4 by 5 can be written as 5 by 4, and tan reciprocal is cot, that is 3 by 4 is there already, which can be written as 4 by 3. Got it? Next, fundamental relation between the trigonometric ratios. Already we have seen in the first slide. Sin theta into cos theta equals to 1, cos theta into sin theta, sec theta equals to 1, tan theta into cot theta equals to 1, tan theta equals to sin by cos, and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square it is, right? Now we have to see the solution of these ratios one by one. Now let us consider here also right angle triangle, that is ABC, right angled at A theta. Again, sin theta into cosec theta, already we know the ratios. Sin theta can be written as opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, and cosec theta is reciprocal of what? Sin theta, that is AC by BC. Here BC get cancelled, AC get cancelled. What we get here? Which is equals to 1. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta equals to what? 1. Also, cosec theta equals to, we can write cosec theta, keep here only, take sin on RHS, it becomes 1 by sin theta, and sin theta keep here only, take cosec theta on RHS, it becomes 1 by cosec theta. And next, cos theta into sec theta, which is equals to, again cos theta ratio is, trigonometric ratio of a cos theta is AB by AC, that is AB by AC is nothing but your adjacent by hypotenuse, and again sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, which can be written as AC by AB. Now again AB get cancelled, AC get cancelled again, which is equals to 1. Therefore cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. Again sec theta keep as it is, cos take on RHS, it becomes 1 by cos, and cos keep here only, take sec on RHS, it becomes 1 by sec theta. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta, again tan theta is nothing but BC by AB, and again reciprocal of cot is AB by BC, again BC get cancelled, AB get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Therefore tan theta into cot theta equals to what? 1. Now again cot theta as it is, tan take on RHS it become 1 by tan, and tan as it is take cot on RHS it become 1 by cot. Now sin theta by cos theta equals to, sin theta means again BC by AC, cos theta is AB by AC. Now AC get cancelled here, only what we get? BC by AB. BC by AB. Therefore BC by AB is nothing but your tan theta. Therefore tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cos theta by sin theta, again take ratios of cos theta is AB by AC and ratio of sin theta is BC by AC. Again AC get cancelled here, denominator. What we get? AB by AC, which is nothing but your cot theta. AB by AC is nothing but your cot theta, reciprocal of cot theta. AB by BC it is, actually it is misprint here, AB by BC, it is cot theta. Reciprocal of tan is nothing but, already here it is BC by AB is there. Now take its reciprocal, means AB by BC it is, AB by BC, which is equals to cot theta. Now we have tan theta into cot theta, which is equals to 1. And for tan theta equals to 1 by cot, again cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Got it? Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta, already it is equals to 1, we know. Now we have to prove this one. Sin square theta, ratio of sin theta is BC by AC, its whole square, and cos square theta is nothing but AB by AC, its whole square. Now take square separately, numerator and denominator, BC square upon AC square, again AB square upon AC square. Now take LCM here, what we get? AC square is LCM here. In the numerator, what we get after simplifying? BC square plus AB square, where BC square plus AB square equals to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Already you know AB square plus BC square equals to, directly you can write AC square, denominator also AC square. Here AC square get cancelled. What we get? That is equals to 1. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to what? 1. Also 1 minus sin square theta, take sin square theta on RHS, what it becomes? 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta equals to what? Sin square theta. Again take cos on RHS, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta is as it is. Therefore 1 minus cos square theta equals to sin square theta. And finally 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 plus, keep as it is, tan ratio is BC by AC, therefore tan square means BC square by AB square. Therefore BC square can be written as AB square plus BC square. Again AB square plus BC square can be written as AC square by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square as it is. Again AC by AB is nothing but your sec. Therefore AC square by AB square can be written as sec square. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta equals to what? Sec square theta. Next, also sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, and sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. You can check by using trigonometric ratios. And 1 plus cot square theta equals to, similarly here also 1 plus, keep as it is, cot ratio is AB by BC, reciprocal of tan. Now AB square can be written as BC square plus AB square, BC square denominator as it is, again by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square, which is equals to AC square. AC square by BC square, which can be written as cosec square theta. That is nothing but your 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. In proving above identities, theta has been assumed to be acute. In all the form theta is an acute angle, it must be less than 90 degree. However, this result holds even when theta is an angle of any magnitude. उसका magnitude कुछ भी रहने दो, it may be any magnitude. Their result holds even when theta is an angle of any magnitude. Keep in mind this one, that is an important point here. With this, we end today's lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to study some problems based on trigonometric ratios, right? Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.